Elizabeth Anjorin, what you need, true treatment. You need people that will be constantly beating you up. Whenever they see you, they beat you up. They reset your brain by beating you, one, or someone that can take you to where you can be taking your injection to sleep. It's a sickness. Going under people's comments to check what somebody do.
Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, ojú abẹ́ ti dá sí ọ̀rọ̀ tó wà lẹ́rìn Lizzy Anjorin àti arábìnrin tí a mọ̀ sí Dayo Amusa. Ó ti dá sí ọ̀rọ̀ náà, ó dá sí ọ̀rọ̀ ìjà náà, ó analyse bí gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ náà ṣe rí. Ó tún sọ nínú ọ̀rọ̀ rẹ̀ wípé nǹkan méjì ni Lizzy Anjorin ó nídìí báyìí. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ látẹnu rẹ̀.
Drop emojis, people drop on people's posts. It is insane. It is purely madness. There is nothing anybody can tell me. It is madness. Emma go. Oko me ma binu pe aya o. E man ta de yi to send this me.
That aside. Olufe wa ki mi, mo de sọ fún honorably that I do not want you to come and visit me.
You want to come and greet someone. Someone said she does not want to be associated with you. You are not classy. I will not want to have anything to do with that kind of person again. I will not want to put even mi ò ní lè fẹ́ mi ò ní mú orúkọ ẹni yẹn sẹ́nu. For someone to say, don't worry, you don't have to come. O den se bi ẹni pé bóyá o tóbi ojunu ayé orí ibu ló ń ṣe ẹ́. Tí èyàn bá rárá fún mi ní ojú sign pé òun ò fẹ́ bá mi ṣe. Màá fún ní gbogbo fore, màá fún ní gbogbo length. O wá tó go ó dùn ẹ́ nìyẹn. What you are telling people that rejecting you pa òun fẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe yẹn ó dùn ẹ́. Kò yẹ kó lè lọ fẹ́ni tó ti reject ye from visiting. It is shameless. It is very shameful of you. Láti máa bú ẹni tó lóhùn fẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe má. Oh there, I don't understand. It is psychological. It is bipolar thing. It is classless. If you give me an attitude that you don't want me around, I will leave the whole environment for you without letting people know. Silently. I will not want to see anybody. I will not want to be associated. Anytime in Bashima. Coming online to drag somebody who doesn't want to be associated with you is actually classless. I don't know who are your people, who are the people. This is just an honest advice. People supporting you, they are, I don't know. Emo o sọ fún lóhùn fẹ́ kó wá gbà on. Ọkọ mi wo adúrú insult.
The Franca's family, I don't want to
ọkọ mi insult
on the norms. Ṣé pé òde ni mo sunkún olówó ò gbọ́dọ̀ máa sunkún òde.
Exactly.
Because I don't really get, but ṣé mo pé English quote yín tá wá máa ń sọ